Can sleep apnea be cured naturally? If you're struggling with sleep apnea and wondering if there's a natural way to cure it, you're not alone. Let's explore the possibilities and what you can do to manage this condition. First, it's important to understand that sleep apnea is a serious medical condition that can have significant health implications if not managed properly. While it's often considered a chronic condition, there are various approaches that can help reduce its symptoms. One of the key natural methods involves lifestyle changes. For instance, avoiding alcohol and sedatives, especially before bedtime, can help because these substances relax the muscles in your throat, increasing the risk of airway obstruction. Establishing a consistent sleep routine is also crucial. This includes going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, creating a calming evening ritual like reading a book or taking a warm bath, and ensuring your sleeping space is quiet, dark, and comfortable. Weight management is another important factor. Losing weight through regular exercise and a healthy diet can help reduce the obesity that often contributes to sleep apnea. Even a modest weight loss can significantly cut down the severity of sleep apnea. Changing your sleep position can also make a difference. Sleeping on your side or stomach instead of your back can help reduce symptoms and make breathing easier. Certain exercises, such as tongue and throat exercises, singing, or playing wind instruments, can strengthen the muscles in your throat and improve airflow during sleep. Herbal remedies and supplements like melatonin, magnesium, and valerian root may also help improve sleep quality. Melatonin regulates sleep-wake cycles, magnesium promotes muscle relaxation, and valerian root has sedative properties. Yoga and breathing exercises such as diaphragmatic breathing and alternate nostril breathing can strengthen respiratory muscles and improve lung function, which can reduce sleep apnea symptoms. Acupuncture is another natural remedy that has shown promise. It can regulate the nervous system and the hormones involved in sleep regulation, leading to better sleep quality and reduced sleep apnea symptoms. Using humidifiers to add moisture to the air can help prevent dry air from exacerbating your sleep apnea symptoms. Dry air can cause congestion and irritation in the throat, making breathing harder. While these natural remedies can significantly alleviate the symptoms of sleep apnea, it's essential to note that they are not a substitute for medical treatment. Sleep apnea is a condition that usually cannot be completely cured without addressing the underlying anatomical or neurological issues. In some cases, treatments like surgery to modify tissues near the airway or significant weight loss can fully address the airway blockages that cause obstructive sleep apnea. However, for most adults, sleep apnea symptoms need to be managed on an ongoing basis. In summary, while natural remedies can help reduce the severity and frequency of sleep apnea episodes, they do not provide a definitive cure. It's crucial to combine these natural methods with medical interventions, such as CPAP therapy, under the guidance of a healthcare provider to achieve the best results and improve overall sleep quality and health.